Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Mr. Learning Channel, your favorite place to learn English in a fun and easy way. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. We're so happy to have you here today. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we upload new English conversation podcasts every day to help you speak more naturally.
That's right. So Mia, today we're talking about something we all love to think about, our future plans.
Oh yes, I love this topic. Talking about the future always makes me feel excited. There are so many things we want to do. Travel, learn, work, maybe get new hobbies.
Absolutely. And in English, when we talk about our future plans, we usually use will or going to.
Yes, and today we'll use both of them in a real conversation so our listeners can hear how people really talk about their future in everyday life.
Perfect. Smiles. So Mia, let's start. What are your future plans? What are you going to do this weekend, for example?
This weekend. Pause. I'm going to visit my grandparents. They live about 2 hours away from my city.
Oh, that sounds nice. Do you visit them often?
Yes, I try to visit them once a month. My grandma makes the best homemade cookies. I love spending time there.
I can imagine that. So you're going to visit your grandparents. That's something you've already planned, right?
Exactly. When we already have a plan, we say, I'm going to, not I will.
Right. So if I say I'm going to meet my friend tomorrow, it means I already have a plan to meet that friend.
Yes, that's correct. What about you, Alex? What are you going to do this weekend?
I think I'm going to stay home and rest. I've been working a lot lately. Maybe I'll watch a movie or cook something special.
Oh, you're going to cook? Really?
Hey, I can cook. Maybe not perfectly, but I can make pasta.
Okay, that's something. So you're going to have a relaxing weekend.
Yeah, just chill, no big plans.
You know, I haven't decided what to cook for my grandparents yet. Maybe I'll bake them some cupcakes.
Oh, that's sweet. You just decided that now, right?
Yeah, just now.
Then that's a perfect time to use will. You can say, I think I'll bake some cupcakes for them.
Oh, yes. When we decide something at the moment, we use will.
Exactly. For example, I just remembered my cousin's birthday is tomorrow. I think I'll call him later to say happy birthday.
Oh, that's nice of you. So you didn't plan it before, but you decided now. That's why you used will.
Right. You know what? I think I'll also buy some flowers for my grandma. She loves roses.
Oh, that's sweet. She'll be so happy. So, Alex, what about your big future plans? Do you have any plans for next year?
Oh, yes. I'm going to visit Japan next summer.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Why Japan?
Well, I've always wanted to see Tokyo and Kyoto. The culture, the food, the temples, everything looks so beautiful.
That's true. I love Japanese food too. So you already bought the ticket?
Not yet, but I'm planning to. I'm saving money now. I think I'll buy the ticket in March.
Ah, so I'm going to visit Japan because that's your plan. But I'll buy the ticket in March because you're making that decision now.
Exactly. You got it.
I really like how English has these two ways to talk about the future. It helps to show if it's a plan or just a decision.
True. What about you, Mia? Any travel plans?
Hmm. I'm going to visit the US next year.
Really? That's great. Where exactly?
I want to go to California. My friend lives in Los Angeles and she invited me to stay with her.
That's awesome. LA is beautiful. Are you going to go in the summer too?
Yes, maybe in June or July. I want to go to the beach and see the Hollywood sign.
Classic tourist dream.
Yes, I know. Oh, and I think I'll also take a short trip to San Francisco while I'm there.
That's smart. It's not too far. You'll love it there. So, besides travel, what are your future career plans?
Well, I'm going to take an English teaching course next year.
Oh, really? That's awesome. Have you already registered?
Not yet, but I'm looking for good online programs. I love helping people learn English, so maybe in the future I'll become an English teacher.
That sounds perfect for you, Mia. You're patient and friendly.
Thanks, Alex. What about you? What are you planning to do in the future?
I'm going to start my own small business one day. Maybe a coffee shop or a travel blog, something creative.
A coffee shop? That sounds amazing.
Yeah, I love coffee and I enjoy talking to people. I think it would be fun to have a cozy little place where people can relax.
That's a great dream. You know what? When you open your coffee shop, I'll come and visit.
Deal. I'll give you free coffee.
That's the best plan ever.
By the way, sometimes we also use will for promises or predictions, right?
Yes. For example, when we want to promise something, we can say, "Don't worry, I'll help you."
Right. Or I'll call you when I arrive.
Exactly. And for predictions, we can say things like, "I think it will rain tomorrow."
Oh no, I hope not. I was planning to go jogging tomorrow morning.
Well, if it rains, maybe you'll stay home and watch a movie instead.
Yeah, I think I will.
Alex, what's one dream you have for your future? Something big.
That's a deep question. Pause. I think I'd love to travel around the world one day.
Wow, that's a beautiful dream.
Yeah, I really want to see new cultures, try different foods, and meet people from everywhere.
That's amazing. And you will. I'm sure one day you'll do it.
Thank you. What about you?
I think I'd love to write a book someday.
Really? What kind of book?
Maybe a story about travel and friendship. Something simple but full of heart.
That sounds lovely. I'll be the first to read it.
Deal.
What about family plans? Do you think about that sometimes?
Yeah, a little. Maybe in the future I'll get married and have a small house near the sea.
A house near the sea? That sounds peaceful.
Yeah, I love the sound of waves. It makes me calm.
I think I'll live in the city. I like the energy and lights, but I'll definitely visit your beach house.
You're always welcome. I'll make you coffee.
Perfect. So, what are your plans for next week?
I'm going to start a new fitness routine.
Oh, wow, that's great. Yeah, I've been thinking about it for a while and I finally decided to do it. I'll start on Monday.
Nice. I think I'll join a yoga class next week too.
Really? That's great. Yoga is relaxing.
Yeah, I've never tried it before, so I'm going to give it a try.
Good luck. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
So, today we talked about the future, our plans, dreams, and goals.
Yes, and we also learned when to use will and going to.
Let's do a quick review for our listeners. When we already have a plan, we use going to. Example, I'm going to visit my grandparents this weekend. When we decide right now or make a promise or prediction, we use will. Example, I think I'll call my friend later.
Perfect summary, Mia.
Thanks. And to all our listeners, what about you? What are your future plans?
Yes, tell us in the comments. What are you going to do this weekend? Or what's one big dream you have for the future?
We'd love to read your answers.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
Join us again tomorrow for another fun English conversation.
Until then, take care and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.